I'm Dr. Rishi Popat. I'm really excited about this course. We are looking forward to training general dentists more about orthodontics, especially diagnosis and treatment planning, which I feel like most programs don't cover. And that's a lot what we learn in residency, so it's really important that we learn about diagnosis, treatment planning, and you can pick whichever mechanics or compound companies you want to use, aligners, brackets, wires, whatever you want to use. We just want to make sure you have a good foundation of orthodontic care.
I'm an orthodontist, and we're here today at our GP and pediatric dentist ortho training event here in Phoenix, Arizona. We've had a bunch of doctors here and team members, and we've learned basically how to do braces. From just placing the braces, treatment planning, tying them in, different laboratory options, functional appliances, phase 1 appliances, aligners, we've learned everything. But a huge focus just on braces. Right now, as I speak, we've got plenty of doctors in there with all kinds of mock-up patients. We're actually putting on braces, we're tying in braces, and we're all ready, and these patients are gonna go home with braces on. So pretty exciting stuff. There's really nothing like this out there in the United States. So Dr. Rishi Popat and myself, we put this course together to fill a need because doctors were asking for help with braces, but a lot of courses that are out there are super overwhelming. They get really complicated, the doctors get scared, and they really never end up actually executing it because they're stressed out. So hence our course. So our goal is to do something completely different. We want you to be able to do braces and wires easily with just like 4 wires if possible in less than 12 months if we can for comprehensive ortho. And you can do this if you plan in advance and treatment plan accordingly and use the best products and materials. So that's what we're here for. We're really excited to be able to help you in your practice, and we look forward to seeing you at our next event.
I'm Summer Casmo, and I am a dentist from Eagle, Colorado. I've been a dentist for 17 years, but surprisingly I've actually never really done a ton of bracket orthodontics. So since coming to this event, what I found is actually placing brackets are quite a bit easier than I would have anticipated. And I think I figured out that there's so many shortcuts that weren't available when I first became a dentist that make it to where I'll be able to do this at home on Monday if I so choose.
I've pretty much taken every ortho course that you could imagine that's designed for a general practitioner like myself. But what I was missing was with the specialists actually, and how they do it different and become more efficient at it. The pearls that I got out of this seminar were absolutely fantastic. I've learned things that I would have never learned from a GP. And they were nice enough to shed light on the things that I didn't know for the last 10 years.
My feet into ortho for a couple years now, mainly doing Invisalign, and I want to try to, I guess, expand my tool belt outside of Invisalign and learn more about orthodontics. So I met Amanda about a month ago at another conference, the Women in Dentistry conference, and I just really liked her vibe, I guess, and her passion for ortho. And she told me she actually had a class coming up in Phoenix, which is 2 hours from where I live. So I'm like 2 weeks away from having a baby, but I'm going to be there. So I'd say my key takeaway is that things can be really simple. It doesn't have to be a scary thing putting braces on a patient. And then I'm looking forward to kind of working out that workflow to make it really easy for my office. Is what I think we'll focus on tomorrow.
I would absolutely recommend this course to any dentist, any orthodontist, and truly if I had to do it again, I would bring my team. I think I will be bringing my team the next time because they make it so simplistic. I heard over and over other dentists saying how much easier this was than anything they have ever learned before. So I would highly recommend this course, and I would highly recommend bringing your team members as well.
Exciting me is the simplicity of the orthodontics that they teach it in a way that makes it simple to understand.
You've been practicing ortho as a GP and you're frustrated with it clogging up your schedule. This is a place for you. There are small things that you can take away from this that will work the entire course.
We'd like to invite you guys to our course and welcome you to our office. Excited to meet you. We're excited to host this course at our office and excited to show you everything that I know about orthodontics.